Would you like to learn how to make an organic roll deodorant that prevents bad odor, leaves a soft perfume on the skin and provides comfort and freshness? Just watch this video and grab the recipe. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Larnudi and I'm a natural cosmetics formulator. Here on my channel I share my recipes and my ideas. You're gonna find a lot of different video tutorials here. So if you are interested in natural skincare, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's go through the list. What you're going to need to make your own natural roll-on deodorant. You're going to need 2 beakers or Pyrex glass. It has to be heat-proof. You're also going to need a precise weight scale, a small whisk like this one. We're going to use it to make an emulsion, or you can actually use a cappuccino mixer if you have one at home. This one is really handy. I would advise you to get one if you want to make your own whipped butters or lotions at home. We are also going to use a pH stripes to make sure that our deodorant has skin-friendly pH. Okay, let's go briefly through our ingredients list. You're going to need some distilled water, glycerine. It is a humectant that will help to moisturize the skin, and it will also help us to disperse our gum. Olivem 1000. It is our emulsifier. It will help to create this lovely and soft and creamy texture. Xanthan gum. It will also help us to create a texture of our deodorant. Zinc Ricinoleate. It is an odor-absorbing agent. It is EcoCert approved and it is often used in the professional natural deodorant formulations. And I will also use 2 nature-derived active ingredients with advanced antimicrobial properties. The first one is Decalact Deo. It is a very effective blend that provides proven 24 hours protection. And the second one is an active ingredient by a French company Aroma-Zone. It is called complex Deodorant, and it is actually a mix of 2 active ingredients, farnesol and 3-ethyl citrate. Next, our supportive ingredients, Cosgard, and this is a broad-spectrum preservative, and vitamin E. Those 2 will take care of our deodorant and prevent it from deterioration. And the last but not the least, our natural aroma essential oils. I will use mei-cheng oil, lavender oil and palmarosa oil. It is a very nice and floral composition. And also all those 3 oils have antimicrobial properties and bring extra benefits to our formulation. Oh my god, where do I buy all those fancy ingredients? Don't be scared, you can find all the ingredients I'm talking about on a different websites, and you can find the websites that sell cosmetic ingredients in every country. I actually made a search for you and I made a list of websites with cosmetic ingredients in different countries. I'm gonna leave you the link in the text box below this video. Check it out, find the websites that work in your region and order professional cosmetic ingredients if you really want to get a professional result. The first step of any cosmetic preparation: disinfection of tools and working space. I use a 70% isopropanol solution. Okay, these are 2 parts of my future emulsion, and now I will put it in a water bath and heat it till all the waxes are completely molten. And meanwhile, I will await all my active ingredients, preservative and essential oils. Okay, I'm ready to go. My waxes are completely molten and my water phase is heated as well. So now I will slowly add oils to water and make an emulsion. If you want to speed up a little bit the cool down process, you can put your emulsion in a cold water bath. Okay, our emulsion is ready, and when the temperature has dropped below 40 degrees Celsius, you can mix in your heat-sensitive ingredients, your actives, preservative and essential oils. We're almost done and only one step left. We have to measure and adjust the pH of our product. In my case, the pH of my emulsion was around 6.5, so I mixed in 2 drops of 80% lactic acid solution. Check again, 5.5. Parfait! Et voilà! Your 100% natural deodorant is ready. Best to use it within 6 months. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below, and see you next time.